Hi guys! Camping with kids can seem like a scary thought for some, but there's nothing better than getting out in nature, unwinding and connecting with your tribe. And with a little bit of preparation, everyone's sure to have a great time. So here's our top tips for camping with kids. First up, if you're new to camping or new to kids, start with some smaller adventures close to home and build up from there. When packing, keep it simple. It's a good idea to use a camping checklist so there's nothing that's left behind. We like to have a meal plan and even pre-make the first night's dinner so there's nothing else to worry about once we've set up camp. Before you hit the road, have a plan. Make sure you know where you're going and what facilities are there. Will there be toilets? Do you need to take drinking water? Do you need to pay camp fees? Things like that. And always check the weather report so you're well prepared. If you haven't set up your tent before, have a trial run at home first and make sure you arrive at camp with plenty of time to set up before it gets dark. Give the kids a job because they love to help set up, or at least have something on hand to entertain the kids while you set up. When packing the kids' clothes, choose darker colours, and gumboots are always a winner. And leave the PJs at home, simply put them to bed in tomorrow's clothes. Head torches and glow sticks are always a hit, and it's great to have some activities like a nature treasure hunt or the good old bug catcher. Once you're all set up, give the kids some boundaries of where they can go and what they can do, and remind them of campsite etiquette. If you're having a campfire, remind the kids of any dangers and be sure to put it out before bed. You may want to set up a hand washing station and definitely stock up on those wet wipes. But most of all, have fun. Switch off those devices and enjoy nature with your tribe. Cheers legends, we'll see you out there.